Hi, I'm Arvil Jubilaranda and I am a graduate from Mindanao University of Science and Technology. I took up Bachelor of Science in Technology Communication Management. Way back in college, I am one of the scholars of Abante Mindanao by Congressman Maxi Rodriguez. And I think it became a milestone, one of my milestones for my success in the future. And here I am right now, working in one of the major telecommunication companies in the Philippines. Kaya without Congressman Maxi and sa Abamin, wala gid siguro ko niabot sa ko ang unsa akong giabtan karon.
Good day everyone. I am April Rhea Dahang from Barangay Cugman, Cagayan de Oro City. Currently, I am in a private company as a sales admin assistant. Without the scholarship of Kong Maxi Rodriguez, I may not be able to graduate college because there was a time when kailangan kong humingi ng pera from my aunts and then minsan nakakahiya pero because of the scholarship of Abamin, I was able to pursue and graduate. Consider myself a successful professional since I'm already in the industry for 3 years now and I'm a regular employee. Through this job, I am able to help my family with the household expenses like electricity bill and water bills and nephews and nieces in their studies. With the scholarship of the Kong Maxi Rodriguez or the Abamin, he will be able to help a lot of aspirants. I am grateful with the scholarship I got from Kong Maxi Rodriguez and I hope he will be able to help a lot or more people since there are a lot of students who would like to really study and graduate college but are not able to afford. So through him and his scholarship, I hope that there will be more successful people like me.
Ako, si Congressman Maxi Rodriguez, nag-advokasya kita sa una ang edukasyon. O nato nga ini sa atong syudad o sa ubang dapit sa Pilipinas, sa napulo nga musulod sa high school, tulura gyud maka lampos paingon sa college. Di modo na ay pito kayo nga dili gyud makaskwela. Kung nakaskwela manggaling ka na ang tulo, lagisod pagyapon og bayad sa tuition. So naa kitay advokasya sa edukasyon pinaagi sa paghangyo sa mga ahensyas gobyerno sama sa CHED, sama sa disability nga muhatag sa mga assistance pinaagi sa pagbayad sa tuition.
Hi, I'm Arvil Jubilaranda and I am a former scholar of Abante Mindanao by Congressman Maxi Rodriguez and I am a successful employee now in one of the leading telecommunications company in the Philippines. And I believe na adunay success kay Maxi Rodriguez.
Ako si April Rhea Dahang, a former Abamin scholar and a successful sales admin assistant of a multinational corporation. And I believe adunay success kay Maxi Rodriguez.